Okay, so I'm going to try to veganize every famous dish from every country in the world. First up, vol au vent from Belgium. Here are all the ingredients we will be using. Full recipe in the description. So, like every good recipe ever, we will be starting with an onion. Chop it up roughly or finely, whatever you like best. Then we will be using some mushrooms. You can mix and match, but I will be using just some good old button cap mushrooms. Slice them up so they can keep their shape whilst cooking. Now we will be replacing the chicken of the original recipe. You can go wild here. Go with seitan, TVP, chickpeas, white beans, or even corn if you have it available where you live. I don't, unfortunately. But I do have amazing soy curls. Rehydrate these bad boys with some boiling water, let them sit there for around 10 minutes. Make sure all of them get cooked. Once 10 minutes have passed, strain them and press them as hard as you can to take out all of the excess water. I do it with the same bowl, but some people do it with the back of a spoon, which I found takes way longer, but try it out and see what suits you best. Quick fact, soy curls are way better than regular TVP because they are non-GMO and made from whole soybeans, unlike TVP, which is made from soy flour. So if you have the choice, always go with soy curls. Plus, they are delicious. Now, put them back in the bowl and start seasoning them. Start with some oil. I used olive oil this time, some soy sauce, and like a good vegan boy that I am, nutritional yeast. And into an oven dish. This one is way too small, but it will work, no worries. You could cook them in a wok or pan, but in my opinion, in the oven the texture is way better. So cook them for around 30 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Flip them at the halfway point. In the meantime, we will be trying, mark my words here, I am saying trying, to do the croûte à boucher, which is the round puff pastry in which you put the filling in. So, to replace the egg that you would use for brushing the pastry, we use aquafaba. It can be from chickpeas or any kind of bean really. It works exactly the same as eggs would do in this case. Save up the chickpeas for another recipe, of course. Now, take your pastry and cut out 4 circles. Now, take the rest of the dough and make it thicker and cut out 1 other circle. Then take a smaller cookie cutter, in my case I used a beautiful ravioli cutter, and cut out a smaller circle. The inner part will go back with the rest of the dough to make the other ones, and the outer part will go on top of the first circles we made. Now, brush with the aquafaba, make some holes with a fork, and repeat the process. Now, bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees, and hopefully yours will look better than mine. Now, onto the filling. Start with some vegan butter, add some good old onions, a mix of spices. I use salt, MSG, cumin, coriander, and fresh thyme. Add some chopped garlic and your lovely mushrooms. Add some veggie stock, some white wine, and some vegan cream. You could replace that with coconut cream or cashew cream, for example. Cook for a few minutes and take out of the heat. Now drizzle some lemon. Add the baked soy curls to the pan. Yes, I know, it's too much soy curls, but I really love them. I mean, look at that. Now, time to plate up. It's traditionally served with Belgian fries, parsley on top, and a good Belgian beer. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one.